A mother is under arrest, and that follows an endangered child alert for her 5-month-old son, who she does not have custody of. Metro Police say they began searching for the child after Heather Davis refused to surrender the child following a court order. A relative told police that Davis showed up to their home on Bennett Drive. That's when a police drone located her and officers showed up to arrest her. The infant was found.